materials required for this activity are a jar, pump, one outlet pipe, a 5-volt relay module, IR sensor, connecting wires, a glue gun and a screwdriver. Let's begin the task. Make hole in the lid of jar so that the outlet pipe pass through it. Pass the one end of the pipe from the lid and connect the other end with the pump. Take out the wire of pump to the top of lid. Now close the lid. Now connect the output pin of IR sensor to the input pin of relay module. Connect VCC of IR sensor and relay module using two half wires. The ground of IR sensor is connected with the ground of relay, again using two half wires. Now set the relay module and IR sensor on the top of lid with the help of glue gun. Connect the black wire, that is negative terminal of pump, with the center pin of relay. Connect extra wire with the terminal exactly at the back of red LED. Now connect the positive adapter or battery with the VCC of both the devices and positive of the pump. Connect negative of adapter with the ground of both the devices and with the extra wire. Now test the device by switching it on. Type assembly on IR sensor is the range setter. We can adjust the range of IR sensor by using this potentiometer. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Keep supporting us by liking and sharing our content. See you again in the next video with a new concept. God bless you all.